Welcome back to the channel. If you have ever felt like your home was divided by unnecessary walls, restricting light and conversation, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the ultimate guide to open concept kitchen and living room ideas. We're talking about how to turn a large, empty area into a space that is not only highly functional for daily life but absolutely stunning to look at. Whether you are renovating a historic home or designing a new build, creating a seamless and stylish flow is easier than you think, if you have a plan. Let's dive in. First up, layout and traffic flow. The biggest mistake people make in open concept design is not planning how they actually move through the space. You want a clear, straight path from the entryway to the kitchen without having to squeeze past a sofa or navigate around a coffee table. To achieve this, think of your space in zones. The kitchen is the working zone. The living room is the relaxation zone. A great trick here is using a large kitchen island as a functional divider rather than a physical wall. An island defines the kitchen space while keeping the view totally open to the living room, allowing you to cook while still being part of the conversation. Next, let's talk color. To make the space feel truly seamless, you need a cohesive color palette. You don't need to paint everything the same shade of beige, but you should keep the undertones consistent. If you love a modern look, try a neutral foundation. Think soft whites, light grays, or warm beiges on the walls and large furniture pieces. Then, bring in personality through accent colors. Pick 2 or 3 colors, perhaps a deep navy and a warm copper, and sprinkle them throughout both rooms. Use navy pillows on the sofa, and a navy rug under the dining table. This visual repetition links the two spaces together instantly. Lighting is everything in an open concept. Since you have one giant space, you cannot rely on just one overhead light fixture. You need layers of light to create depth and ambience. You need 3 main types. Task lighting, bright, direct light over the kitchen counters and stove for cooking. Statement lighting, dramatic pendant lights over the kitchen island or a chandelier over a dining table to act as a focal point. Ambient lighting, warm, soft lighting in the living area, like floor lamps or pot lights on a dimmer switch, to create a cozy atmosphere when the sun goes down. Here is the secret to a professional-looking open layout. Use the same flooring throughout. Changing floor materials midway through the room, for instance, switching from hardwood in the living room to tile in the kitchen, acts as a physical wall, breaking the visual flow immediately. By running the same hardwood or luxury vinyl plank through the entire space, you trick the eye into seeing one massive, luxurious room. It is the fastest way to make a smaller open concept feel twice as large. Designing an open concept space is all about balance, making it functional for your daily life while ensuring it looks stylish and curated. It's about creating a home where you can cook, entertain, and relax, all in one bright, airy environment. If these ideas sparked some inspiration for your own renovation, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more interior design tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.